play in my jungle, ride my zebra, baby. And my hair hangs like Tarzan, I am the man, I be my lady. Cause you know you won't be my lady.
Yo.
And you know I'm intoxicated. Yes, I smoke and drink like Grey.
I just swung off the road, now I'm up in the... Hold on, I gotta get up out of here, man.
Kiss. I'm talking diamonds and pearl tongues. Young Prince. And I keep my guitar with me. Bandana like a hippie. And I tell you this, you can be my miss.
Yeah, man, swinging on them boys, you know what I'm talking about? I'm off the curb, off into the cemetery coming at y'all, you know what I'm talking about? That's what's happening with it. Alright, you know what I'm talking about? What we gonna drop here is we gonna do Lincoln, Nebraska, Jonesboro, Arkansas, Athens, Ohio, Columbus, Ohio next week, Warrensburg, Missouri, Columbia, Missouri, Manhattan, Kansas, Lawrence, Kansas, Norman, Oklahoma, Stillwater, Oklahoma, Ames, Idaho, Fort Collins, Colorado, Muncie, Indiana, Springfield, Illinois, Urbana, Illinois, Lubbock, Texas, and College Station. You know what I'm talking about, as well as ACC, as well as U of H, you know what I'm saying? But Padre 09, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna have spring break cracking, you know what I'm saying? They're gonna have some people on the roster, you know what I'm saying, that we ain't even close to talk about right now, you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna still have the cruises, we're gonna still have the yachts, we're gonna still have all that stuff popping off, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be good times, and Texas week is the biggest week. So, you know what I'm saying, we're gonna be doing business with the Radisson and stuff too. So, you know what I'm saying, we're gonna have pool parties and everything gonna be popping off. So, you know what I'm saying, that's Texas week and spring break 09. You know what I'm saying? Don't forget that. You know what I'm saying? So, but spring break, you know what I'm saying? Down there, Padre 09, it's the most affordable destination. You know what I'm saying? You could drive there. You know what I'm saying? 18 to party. You know what I'm saying? It's further south than Miami, Florida. It's the 7th best beach in USA, and it's incredible concerts. You know what I'm saying? You get your booking through Continental Airlines or Southwest. You know what I'm saying? But that's gonna be going down next week, Columbus, Ohio. You know what I'm saying? That'll be the first time I ever went to that city. But we're gonna have MTV. We're gonna have DJ Silver, Chad Hart, Tours, Rab. You know what I'm saying? MTV. So just make sure you show up. You know what I'm talking about?
Bloodbath has begun with New Jersey Devil. Big Mike.
Yeah, baby. Weezy, this rap shit.